Trane compressor valve plate. The components of a trane compressor valve plate include valve plate compressor, lock nut, discharge valve, discharge valve spring, valve holder. First, clamp the valve plate, then replace the springs. And then place the discharge valve on the springs. Discharge valve holder placed on the valve, and install the holder screw to fix the valve and holder in place. Then tighten the lock nut with a torque meter. Note: the valve should be in the center of the valve plate, which you can test by hand. Discharge valve problems of trane compressors: stepping valves, valve holder corrosion, discharge valve spring failure, the lock nut is not tight.